there! I am 50 years old and ready for a fresh start. I've had a wonderful journey so far, but I'm looking for a new companion to bring me back to life. Could that be you? It's been a while since a festive meal was cooked in my kitchen, and I think I'm ready for a makeover. I imagine blending contemporary vibe with my classic charm, giving my best feature and refreshing the rest. For 42 years, my previous owner called me home, and I stood proudly on this gorgeous lot, 51 by 131 feet. That's plenty of space for creativity to flourish. Just a short drive to the lake and Bronte Harbour. Picture yourself enjoying the picnic, marina, strolling along the waterfront boardwalk, and dining at the nearby restaurants. Adventure and nature await at Bronte Creek Provincial Park. Perfect for hiking, cycling, or picnicking with family and friends. Oh, and did I mention? I'm close to some top-notch school. Perfect for a growing family. I also come with a finished basement. It's ideal for an in-law suite, a nanny suite, or even your creative hideaway. If you got vision, creative energy, and maybe a Pinterest board ready to go, I'd love to meet you. Let's make my next chapter and the next century beautiful together.